Smartsheet has carved out a unique niche in the project management software market, blending the familiarity of a spreadsheet with powerful project management, collaboration, and automation features. Its intuitive grid-based interface often makes it an attractive option, especially for teams transitioning from Excel-heavy workflows. However, like any tool, Smartsheet isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, and it comes with its own set of limitations and downsides that project managers should be aware of before fully committing. As a project management expert, I've seen firsthand how different tools fit different needs. While Smartsheet offers considerable benefits, here are some of the key downsides to consider. 1. The spreadsheet on steroids paradigm can be limiting. Smartsheet's greatest strength, its spreadsheet-like interface, can also be its subtle weakness. For those deeply ingrained in traditional project management methodologies that rely on advanced features like robust resource leveling, detailed time tracking, or complex portfolio management, Smartsheet might feel like it's missing a few pieces. Not a true PPM or ERP system, while Smartsheet offers features for project and portfolio management, it often falls short of being a full-fledged project portfolio management (PPM) system or an enterprise resource planning (ERP) solution. It lacks the native depth for things like advanced financial management, deep resource capacity planning across an entire organization without costly add-ons, or sophisticated program management with hierarchical linking of multiple, very large projects. Limited native time tracking and invoicing. A common complaint is the absence of native, integrated time tracking and invoicing capabilities. While Smartsheet offers a separate product called Resource Management, formerly 10,000 feet, for time tracking and resource forecasting, it's an additional cost and a separate tool, not seamlessly embedded. For invoicing, you'll almost certainly need to integrate with a third-party accounting system, adding complexity. 2. Steep learning curve for advanced features and automation. While the basic spreadsheet interface is easy to grasp, unlocking Smartsheet's full potential often involves a steeper learning curve than many users anticipate. Formulas aren't Excel. Users accustomed to the vast and flexible formula library of Microsoft Excel might find Smartsheet's formula capabilities somewhat less intuitive or extensive. While it supports many common functions, complex data manipulation can sometimes feel more cumbersome, leading to frustration for those expecting a direct port of their Excel skills. Automation setup. Smartsheet's automation features are powerful, but setting up complex workflows, alerts, and actions often requires a good understanding of the platform's logic. It's not always a simple drag-and-drop process for intricate automation rules, and troubleshooting can be time-consuming for non-technical users. There can also be limitations on the complexity of logic you can build directly within Sheets. Dashboard and reporting complexity. While Smartsheet offers dashboards, building truly insightful and dynamic reports, especially those pulling from multiple sheets with complex relationships, can be challenging. Users often report that the process of creating advanced dashboards is not as intuitive as desired, and reporting capabilities can feel basic compared to dedicated business intelligence tools. 3. Scalability and performance issues with very large datasets. While Smartsheet handles small to medium projects excellently, some users report performance degradation when dealing with extremely large sheets, thousands of rows, or an overwhelming number of collaborators simultaneously editing. Latency with large sheets. Sheets with a massive number of rows, columns, or complex formulas can sometimes experience slow loading or response times, impacting real-time collaboration efficiency. Data management challenges. While Smartsheet helps centralize data, managing data quality and preventing spreadsheet sprawl, where multiple similar sheets exist, leading to inconsistent data, can still be a challenge if governance isn't strictly enforced. Integrating data from numerous disparate sources can also require additional effort or third-party tools. 4. Pricing can become costly. Smartsheet operates on a subscription model, and while it offers various tiers, the cost can quickly escalate, especially for larger teams or when needing advanced functionality. Per user pricing. The cost is typically per user per month, billed annually. As your team grows, so does the overall expenditure. Add-ons and premium apps. Many of the more advanced capabilities, such as the aforementioned resource management or integrations with certain enterprise systems, might come as separate additional costs or require higher tier plans, which can significantly increase the total cost of ownership. Feature gating. Essential project management features that might be standard in other tools are sometimes locked behind more expensive plans in Smartsheet, pushing users to upgrade even if they don't need all the features of a higher tier. 5. Limited customization options, visual and functional. While Smartsheet allows for significant functional customization through formulas and automation, its visual customization and templating options can be less robust than some competitors. User interface aesthetics. Some users find the interface to be somewhat utilitarian, lacking the modern visual appeal or flexibility of some newer work management platforms. This can impact user engagement and adoption for teams that prioritize highly customizable dashboards and visual layouts. Form limitations. While Smartsheet offers forms for data input, they can have limitations, such as restricted multiple file attachments or less advanced conditional logic compared to dedicated form-building tools.